Finally, Gens are sending the online assessment invitation mail, and how to apply in this video I will tell you. But one more hiring which is giving you the direct interview on the 21, 22 and 20 of February, and this is direct interview hiring on 9 a.m. onwards. You have to give your direct interview. Yes, you had it right, 2021 22, which is another opportunity. But before that, I want to tell you one thing, that round 1 online assessment invite is sending by Gensar, and if you see that dear all candidate, there is a time slot, and timing and date will be different for each and every candidate too, so you have to given within that time period. Okay, so what is going on? Online assessment invitation is this, and this is pure IT role. And how to apply? This is the form. Gensar opportunity, Gen AI automation prompt is there. 3 to 6 LP is the package. So if you are getting this and you are not taking seriously, then you will regret later, because you are skipping the 6 LP package. So what are you doing? Just hit the apply button. And what to do? BTech, ME, MTech is compulsory. And what to put in resume? There is written generative AI automation prompt. It means you have to put these domain which is written here. Plus the ideal candidate will possess a strong problem solving, communication, willingness to learn. That's it. ये ऐड करने पर रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होगी, बट ये ऐड करने पर रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग हो जाएगी. बट here like many branches and degrees is written, you can easily select. And one more thing, year of pass out 23, 24, 25 and 26 and 22 also eligible. You can easily apply. So source means you have to give any LinkedIn, YouTube भी दे सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एंड करंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में पुट एनी इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर. डोंट टाइप फ्रेशर, जस्ट पुट एनी विच इज ऑल्सो रिटर्न हियर. एंड वन मोर थिंग, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे. इफ दे आर आस्किंग फॉर अ रेज्यूमे, देन यू हैव टू गिव योर अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे. अदरवाइज जस्ट वेट फॉर द assessment mail, because this is the direct assessment. If they are not asking from you that don't upload resume, so keep in mind this is qualification based. If you are following the criteria, bachelor degree, master degree, then you are in. You are selecting these like immediate joining, NA or year of passing, percentage must be 40 to 100 between होना चाहिए. If you are following this criteria, then you will get to see the shortlisting mail or assessment invitation, online assessment mail. This is the AI overview, and many thing is there like time slot and a link of the assessment. You can easily check if you get the assessment mail. So this is the big mega hiring. Pinnacle, Infotech, BE, BTech, BArc grads, 26 batches eligible. If you see, this is the biggest hiring direct interview 2024 and 21. Sorry, मैंने तुम्हें गलत डेट बता दिया, but 2024, 25 is the direct interview, 9 a.m. Kolkata and Durgapur. And if you scroll down, you can check that BTech is eligible and architecture, civil, electrical, mechanical, but 26 pass out is compulsory. So 1st and 20th Feb technical test will be there only for shortlisted candidate, minimum 60% criteria if you having, and GD is there. Then personal interview on this location. Then day 2 24th February personal interview is there, and final round will be on 25th of February. So the location is not same, by the way you have to check the location same है, but institute और ये जो इनका ऑफिस है वो अलग अलग है. तो 20 February को पहले टेस्ट होगा, फिर उसके बाद ये चीजें होंगी. एंड व्हाट इज द मेन थिंग, मिनिमम 60% थ्रू आउट academic is mandatory. Non eligible candidate will not be allowed to participate. Formals are mandatory after assessment, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पर देखोगे तो टेक्निकल टेस्ट वगैरह सब होने वाला है, ठीक है. दैट्स वाई फॉर्मल इज कंपलसरी. And please carry 2 hard copy of resume, photograph of all academic mark sheet, 2 passport size color photograph, hard and soft copy, both is compulsory. So 9 to 10 a.m. sharp reporting time is there, and 2024 25 mark the dates. And if you are not going and you are from these branches, then you are doing a big mistake, because IT, computer science, AI, ML branches is not eligible. Then here is less competition, ठीक है. अगर वो होता तो और भी ज़्यादा competition होता, but यहाँ पे कम है. and package is also very high, so don't worry. 26 batches eligible, only fresher is eligible. Go and complete this walk and drive as soon as possible. BNP Paribas data scientist role is announced. Full time Mumbai location is there. And if you scroll down, you can check 6-month minimum internship experience is required. BTech in computer science, IT, software engineering is compulsory. Put all these domain which is written here, deep learning, machine learning, NLP, ये concept of static, Python, Excel सब ऐड कर दो. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो सब लिखा हुआ, object oriented, enterprise skills. Mumbai, Bangalore, 2 location is there. You can easily apply for this hiring. Click on apply. This will redirect you one new page, the official website of this company. And if you scroll down, you can check apply button is there, just scroll down and check exact thing is written. You can easily update your resume, and one more thing, click on apply now. So I am providing you this page, not this page, ठीक है. So apply from here directly on the career page, and if you want to take referral, you can easily take referral because this is the referral email ID, sorry, referral ID, and you can easily take referral from LinkedIn. So apply it as soon as possible. Big mass hiring already told you, Gensar, big mass hiring already told you, Gensar, and one more direct biggest walk-in drive ever is going on. So hit the apply button. Before that, I already uploaded the Accenture document mail out, not got mail detailed video, and 29 December, 19 December, what's going on. Just watch video till end, and after means today only in the night, like 7 or 8 p.m. I am going to upload the exact document list and steps to create the PDF, and I am going to show you the practical way how to create the PDF, because in one PDF only one document is required, and the rename also is required to do the PDF rename. So what is going on, एक स्टेप में समझ लेना, वो वीडियो रात में आने वाली है, बट ये वीडियो देखना जरूरी है if you did not get the mail or if you got the mail. So go and watch this video. And Moglix just 1 hour ago already uploaded 2 direct test Amazon opportunity. Interview is on 21st of February. Moglix. So go and apply for this hiring. So like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.